This is an overview of some of the things that NoFuss can do. I'm going to start pretty much from scratch, but you'll see I've got these files here, which are First World War documents, which I want to combine into a single file and then play with them a bit. So I'm going to start by opening up Adobe Acrobat in a moment, but first I ought to explain how I've titled these files. You'll see there's a date at the beginning in reverse format. So we've got the year at the start, followed by the month, followed by the day, and then a description of the file. That is a handy way to arrange files because when you sort by name, it arranges it in chronological order. Not that it matters particularly because NoFuss can happily handle sorting files into date order. But let's open up Adobe Acrobat. Go to File, Create, Combine Files into a single PDF. Select these files, drag them across. The order doesn't matter. Click Combine. Open up the Bookmarks tab. I always find it useful at this stage to go to File, Properties, and change these settings. Bookmarks, panel and page, I want that to open up always. Single page and fit page, so I see the whole page at once. That way, when I open the document, I've always got the bookmarks there. So we've got the bookmarks. I see the chronologies at the end. Well, I think that should be at the beginning, so I'm going to drag it to the top. And the dates are in reverse format, like the file names. Let's move the dates to the beginning and reverse the order. And it's this button here which does that. So that's convenient. The next thing is to sort the bookmarks into date order. Click on Sort. Let's change a couple of those around. I then need to have a look at the pagination. I see that the chronology, although it's the first bookmark, is at page 52. So I need to order the pages in the order of the bookmarks. So I click on that. If I refresh, you'll see that the chronology is now at the beginning. But I don't want chronology to be enabled 1. I think it should be Roman numerals. So I'm going to go to the thumbnail view, find the chronology, which is at the beginning, I know. Select the chronology, right-click, Page Labels, and select Roman numerals. Go back to the bookmarks and refresh. Now go to Paginate. Paginate. I've got page numbers now in the bottom right-hand corner. Going to add some legal numbering. I don't want the chronology to be included, so I'm going to right-click on the chronology and select Italics and refresh. Like a table of contents, I'm going to put that at the beginning. Enter a title. And I notice that I've used initials here, and I'd like to expand that. I know that WD stands for War Diary, so I click on Search and Replace. Type in WD. Match the case so it doesn't get confused with anything else it finds. And likewise for MC, I know that's Michael Chapman, so I'll change that. So you don't have to type everything out in full when you're doing your bookmarking. You can use initials and then use search and replace later. Let's just refresh everything that I've done. Check the table of contents. Everything looks fine. So that's that. Just some of the things that